The Jinpus GL-2103 is a tiny air purifier equipped with a HEPA filter and an ionizer as filtration methods. It's a small and attractive air purifier, not that efficient but very affordable. Keep watching and see how good it is and whether it's worth buying. But before we get started, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The first thing that we noticed is that the Jinpus GL-2103 is a much smaller device than we thought it would be. It's intended for rooms up to 80 square feet, and it will fit best in a tiny office, car, or other small space. The Jinpus GL-2103 is a minimalistic air purifier that doesn't have any advanced features to highlight. The only thing we would like to mention is a sleep mode, which is an excellent feature if you're planning to use it in a bedroom. As it is a low power consumer, you can easily use it with a power bank, which will definitely simplify your traveling. More information about the Jinpus can be found at airpurifierfirst.com. The Jinpus is cylindrical in shape. It has a tiny opening at the bottom where the air is drawn in. After that, the filtered air exits through the openings at the top of the device. The Jinpus GL-2103 doesn't use a very advanced filtration system. Basically, it has only one filter, the HEPA filter, which will capture small particles of dust, pollen, odors, and similar small particles. It doesn't have a carbon filter, so it's ineffective for filtering odors. The ionizer is an additional part of filtration that the Jinpus has. The ionizer is located on the top of the device below the control button. The Jinpus is not CARB certified, and therefore I cannot guarantee that the ionizer is entirely safe to use. All in all, the small HEPA filter and weak airflow are not good enough for an outstanding performance grade. The Jinpus GL-2103 filter has to be replaced every 3 to 4 months. The process of replacing it is straightforward. First, you have to turn the device upside down. Unscrew the old HEPA filter clockwise and remove it. After that, it's advised to clean the box where the filter is located with a vacuum cleaner. Finally, insert the new unpacked filter into the Jinpus and complete the process of replacing the filter. This is a very simple air purifier that uses only one fan speed, on which it produces 45.3 dBA of noise. Since it has only one speed and the sleep mode doesn't really reduce the engine noise, this is a bit of a disappointment. But all in all, not a big problem, because the sound is bearable. Believe it or not, the Jinpus GL-2103 uses a 2-watt engine. I have tested many air purifiers, but have never seen one that uses an engine of similar power. If you use the Jinpus GL-2103 daily for 1 month, it will increase your electric bill by just 1 cent. Another cost that is worth mentioning is the replacement filter cost, which is very affordable. To summarize, the Jinpus is maybe one of the most affordable air purifiers we have ever tested. The Jinpus GL-2103 is an air purifier intended for rooms up to 80 square feet. We have tested it in a room of 120 square feet, where it ran for 60 minutes. In that time, the Jinpus improved the air quality by about 52%, which is very disappointing and we must say, a bit unexpected. I don't know if the reason is not that good airflow or lack of advanced filters, but this is something that definitely has to be fixed. The Jinpus GL-2103 is an affordable device which consumes minimal electricity, but it's not efficient for this type of product. The Jinpus did very poorly on all performance tests. Even on the volume test, it performed worse than expected. All this, plus the lack of advanced options, the lack of filter reset indicators, and many other shortcomings are the reasons why we unfortunately don't recommend the Jinpus GL-2103 for purchase. See a detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you like this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.